The rotor blades of wind turbines are exposed to extreme weather conditions. UV radiation, temperature changes, rain, ice and lightning can damage the blades. When this happens, repairs must be carried out quickly. And we can do this really quickly with the patented BergoLED Speed Repair System. Smart repair at the speed of light. The unique high-performance BergoLED Speed Repair Resin is UV curable and therefore a real game-changer. It consists of only one component and can be processed at any temperature and humidity, even below freezing point. The resin is equipped with a UV marker that indicates when curing is completed and further processing can start. The material is free of styrene, isocyanate and solvents and offers a time advantage of up to 90% compared to conventional repair materials. This massively shortens handling time. The repair area can be sanded and further processed after just a few minutes, whereas other systems require up to over 7 hours for this process. The BergoLED Speed Repair Putty is also unbelievably quick. This product too consists of just one component, and the filling delivered in pouch bags supports mobile use, as do our battery-powered UV LED lamps. The putty is suitable for many materials, for example GFRP, steel, wood, concrete and plastics. Here too the UV marker indicates when the material has hardened, and thanks to the tear-off fabric, no sanding is necessary. So the BergoLED Speed Repair Putty can be painted over after just a few minutes, giving it a unique advantage over other systems. Speed made in Germany. Smart repair at the speed of light with the BergoLED Speed Repair System.